Have you ever been puzzled by unexpected events in your Angular application? It can be frustrating when things don't go as planned. If you've encountered a navigation cancel event and are wondering why it happened, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the reasons behind the navigation cancel event in Angular. I totally get it. Seeing a navigation cancel event with an empty reason can leave you scratching your head. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when working with router events in Angular. Let's look at the specific question at hand. One user asked, what could be the reasons for a navigation cancel event to get triggered, especially when the reason is empty? This is a common concern, and it's essential to understand the context to find a solution. So, what could be causing this navigation cancel event? There are several potential reasons, including user interactions, route guards, or even programmatic navigation changes. Understanding these factors is crucial for troubleshooting effectively. And stick around. I have some valuable insights at the end that will help you prevent these events from causing headaches in the future. To understand why a navigation cancel event might be triggered, the user should first consider the scenario where a user navigates away from a route. This can happen if the user clicks a link or uses the back button. Another reason for a navigation cancel event could be related to route guards. If a guard returns false or a promise that resolves to false, the navigation will be canceled. Additionally, the user should check for any programmatic navigation attempts that may fail. For instance, if a component tries to navigate to a route that does not exist, this can trigger a navigation cancel event. Lastly, the user should be aware that certain lifecycle events in Angular can also lead to a navigation cancel. For example, if a component is destroyed during navigation, it may cancel the ongoing navigation process. Fun fact, did you know that the Angular router is designed to handle complex navigation scenarios? It's like a traffic cop for your application, directing the flow of data and user interactions. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user shares an interesting reason for a navigation cancel event. They discovered that if a navigation event is triggered twice, it can lead to this cancellation. This happened to them due to a component with a router link directive that had an input binding with the same name. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. One user found that a navigation cancel event was triggered due to an empty children path combined with an additional guard. In their example, both the auth guard and Y guard must be true to access the dashboard component. Here's a pro tip. Always log your navigation events. This will help you track down the reasons for navigation cancel events and improve your debugging process. And there you have it. Understanding the reasons behind navigation cancel events can save you a lot of time and frustration. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video for more Angular insights.